everyone, this is Samip. Today I'm going to reset maintenance required sign for 2015 Prius C. It's a Toyota Prius C 2015 model. Let's do it. When I put the key on, in the display is a maintenance required. To get to the regular display from here, you just need to press any button for the here display. I just want to press one time the trip and it's gonna give the regular display. On this regular display, you want to make sure you have a regular odometer. Right now I have a trip A. I'm going to press one more time, trip B, and I'm going to get to the third one. It's a regular. Now in the display there's no trip A or trip B. It's a regular mileage, and this is the trip button. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the vehicle off, completely off, and we just want to turn the key on, not the vehicle start, just to turn while the display coming. At the same time, we're gonna click the trip button three times, and first, second, and third time we're gonna hold it. Vehicle on. 1, 2, 3. Hold. There you go. The vehicle is reset. Now you can turn the engine on, and it's good for I think 3,000 miles or something like that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.